Hello everyone, in today's videos we are going to solve this missing term series. Here is 10, 12, 22, 34, and here it is a missing term, and then it is 19. Now we have to make a pattern between this term so that we can find a missing term. First of all, this term is first term is 10, second term is 12, third term is 22, fourth term is 34, fifth term it is missing, and lastly term is 90. Now, when we add this 10 with 2, it will become 12. This is our the second term. Now, our third term will made by adding with 10. It will become 22. This is not a pattern between this term. So, this pattern can be rejected. Now, we have to find another pattern. First of all, we can consider this term is A, this term is B, and this term is C. And these three terms. Now we have to make a pattern between these three terms. When we add this 10 and plus 12, it will become 22. Means that when we add A plus B, it gives out C. Now our third term, we have to consider this as A, and this is B, and this is C. By same pattern, we can add it, and we can get A plus B, it is equal to C, and we have to find the value of the B. Now B is equal to C minus A, which implies C is 90 and minus 34. Now when we subtract 34 from 90, it will become 10 minus 4, it becomes 6, and 8 minus 3, it will become 5. Thus our missing term is 56. Now in place of this missing term, it will become 56. If you're new here, make sure that you to subscribe our channel for more informative video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.